Morning, guys. We're out here gonna try to go bottom fishing, but wind is just a howling. Got Parker with me, waiting on Ken, the boring fisherman, and his wife, Queen Hess. I'll link their links into the video subscription. Anyway, I don't know if we're going fishing yet because of the wind, or if we're gonna just go crabbing, but stick around, we'll see what we can do, see what's safe. Gotta stay safe. Got the old buddy heater just a cranking up in here, and it's pretty toasty in here, even without a back on the boat here. So yeah, I can't hold the camera still, but I was doing full tilt out across the ocean. It's so smooth out here. We're going pretty good. Probably running about, not right now, but I bet we were running about 40 mile an hour, or not 40, about 35 mile an hour out across the ocean. That's pretty cool. Stick around, we're almost at the fishing spot. All right, we're out here at the fishing grounds. Got Ken, the boring fisherman.
Hi, I'm Ken, the boring fisherman.
Yeah, that guy. And we got Queen Hess, Ken's wife. We're gonna get started here and see if we can't catch something. Parker's already down there, but he ain't getting nothing. Anyway, all right, stick around. Parker done hooked up. We're getting ready to leave this spot. He done hooked up, which is fine. We're gonna go in shallower because the drift is so fast we can't get our stuff to the bottom in 100 feet. So got longer to reel it in that way, huh? The wind died down out here though. Hey, it's a nice. You do have him.
You do have my line.
That's a deacon.
You want to keep deacons?
Yep.
What's the one that we can't keep?
Quillback, China rockfish, and coppers. But yeah, we can keep that. That's actually a pretty good deacon. Or else a blue. Is it a deacon or a blue?
I don't know.
It looks like a deacon.
And it ate your shrimp fly.
Yeah, it did. Alrighty. One down.
Sorry.
15 to go. And then a little shallower. It was, yeah, the drift was just a little too much out there. Hopefully it'll be slow enough in here shallow that we can get to the bottom and get some fish. Beautiful day out here. There you go, guys. I got this one. I didn't record it, but as soon as I hit the bottom, I got him. Little kelp greenling. In the bucket. We got 2 fishes on board.
Oh yeah,
I got
look
it.
at that guy.
That's a monster.
That is a dandy.
That is a good fish.
Yeah, it is.
Good job. Miss Queen got that one. That's a big fish, man. Sweet.
This one goes back, right?
Yeah.
No. No.
Hooked up a big one here. Come on.
No drag, sounds like.
That rock back there.
He should be about up.
Hooked.
There he is. Oh, it's a cabbie.
Oh.
Big old cabbie though.
Yeah, it is. I'm not netting that.
No, I wouldn't either. Here, you see that? It's a good cabbie though. Good cabbie. I don't know what he ate. I don't know. I gotta get him out of here. I don't know if I'll even get him in the boat. About time.
I know.
Man, we were going to, the first one to go overboard was going to be you.
Well, now he's not bad luck anymore.
Nice one. Hook. Oh, he just got off.
That's all right.
Now you're bad luck.
I can't believe you let that fish go. I was just
know.
saying
Well,
it was
it
hooked
was
good
only
too.
that long, so I don't think it would have made a fish stick.
Oh yeah, easy. Okay guys, we are in 25 feet of water. I'm gonna stick you under the water because you can see down there. Actually, I'm not going to because he has one. That's a dink, man.
It is a dink. Hey, at least I got that.
He got that one in the boat though. All right, I'm gonna put you underwater so you can see this. It's crazy. That's pretty crazy. I think you can see that pretty good. From what I could see in the lens behind the camera here, you can see pretty good underneath there. So hopefully that shows up. Turned out to be a nice day out here. No wind anymore. Just flat as a pancake. There you go, guys. Hooked up with another China rockfish. Can't keep him. I guess we'll put him back. Hey, at least I caught one. What you got, Cam?
Oh, probably a little sea bass.
A little one?
Probably.
Don't be bringing in the little stuff here.
Well, I don't think it's a salmon, a lingcod, or a halibut.
Oh yeah, it's a sea bass. I see it. So it has to be a sea bass because I see it. Get my line out of the way, would I? Oh, it's a ling.
Oh, it is a ling.
It's a little ling.
Little ling. But hey, it like that swim bait. Here, bring it right here and I'll unhook him. Or do you want a
Might be
picture of it?
keeper.
No, he ain't no keeper.
No way is that a keeper.
No way. He hooked him good though.
Yeah, look at the lice running around on that.
Hold it. Let's get him in the sun where you can see it. Still can't see it. Where's the sun?
Hopefully my camera will pick it up. There's lice
There.
running around on this little guy.
All over the place.
There's a million of them. Look at him in here. Right in Earl's shadow.
Yeah, there.
All right.
Cool.
It's a nice fat one though.
Yeah. See if I can remember how to release a lingcod.
Grab it by the lip.
Yeah, I'll get right on that. I know there's a spot in the gill like
that.
You can, hey, use that,
That's a new
use that,
fish ripper.
yeah, that thing. I can never think of what I need to say when I need to say it.
Yeah, that's a cute little guy. It's just barely
Got that
smaller.
from Trumper Fishing.
It's just barely smaller than that one I have in the Blue Star. Oh, you're filming me.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Bye-bye, Lingy. Oh, it has a string on it.
He gone. Good job.
Black.
No,
No, it's a ling.
it's a ling. It actually might be a keeper. Here, how about a net?
Boat flip it.
Is that a keeper? That's close.
Nah.
I got it.
Oh, Hester got wet.
I think that is a keeper.
Yeah.
That's got to be a keeper.
Sure looks good.
Yeah. All right. Sweet.
I'm a terrible camera person.
Me too.
I'm still all just fishing. Like, come on, fish.
Told you I wasn't going to give that one a chance to get off. I weren't lying.
That got to be a keeper.
Yeah, it's a keeper. I go measure it for sure before I beat it in the head, but
I hope that little fish checker lady's up there.
it's 24.
Nope. Throw back to 12.
Yeah, 22 is the limit. We gotta throw it back at 20. No, I'm just kidding. Keeper Lingcod, sweet. He's a keeper now.
Makes it worth it.
It's a good one right there. Where's the nipper dippers? Right here.
Between my legs.
Ken, these are the coolest things to bleed fish with.
What's that?
These
Takes.
little nippers.
Takes.
Side cutters.
Yeah, look at it. Look at the blood and the pee. This one's a male too.
I normally just use scissors, but
Well, scissors work about the same probably. But yeah, that's sweet. Check this out, guys. Going underwater again. Look at all those fish down there. A lot of fish. Ken's hooked up. Right into the sun. Let me tell you.
Oh yeah, you're pulling him up. Kinda.
China? No, we don't want China.
maybe he'll self-release. Doubt it.
They are good looking fish, but
Yeah.
still don't want them. Seagulls laughing at you.
Yep.
Hear that?
Pretty sure it was that guy.
China.
It's right into the sun. I can't
Is
see
it?
a thing yet.
How's that?
Yeah, not much better, but that's alright. I got one. That an old Parker hooked up. That's a black. That's a nice one too. Yeah, we'll take that.
It's a nice one.
I got him.
Sweet. Don't be like these guys. We had our pin right there. We've been drifting, coming back to that pin. Drifting, coming back to that pin. And these guys come and park right on top of our pin, and they're sitting there with their motor running, holding them there. That's nice of them. Don't be that guy.
Maybe it's trying to sleep sitting like that anyway.
Ken got a good one here. Snagged it. That's all right, bring it in. It's a black or a deacon or something. You got him good.
Yeah, sucks when you hook them that way though.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let that little guy swim another day.
he'd make a taco. That's about all he'd make, but here, Ken.
Good one?
This one's a heavy one. He might be a cabby. That's a cabby. Look at it coming up. You can see that thing way down there.
That's a cabbie, I think.
It is a cabby. Hey, we got sea bass playing around with it. Let's see if we can hook one of them yet. That's crazy.
It's nuts that the water's so clear you can see all the fish.
Come on back.
Oh yeah, he puked up his lunch. That is a nice cabezon.
Yeah, it is. Look at that one, Parker.
Got the button. Okay.
Hey, look at that.
That's a big one.
Wow.
Ate your little jig.
Alrighty, let me get him loose and get him back.
Need your fish gripper?
As long as he stays out of my other gear here.
Get it back.
Yes.
Beautiful release.
Yeah, it is. Sweet, that was fun.
Yeah, put him-
You sure that's a fish?
Yes. But his drag keeps.
Parker, you might need. I was like, yeah.
We're all standing here like dummies.
Everybody's all filming
No,
you.
that's a fish.
You got a fish on the bottom. It might be a fish. There it is. It's coming up now. What the world? Parker, that might be a net fish.
Yeah, fish?
Net fish.
Yeah.
Net fish and chill.
Whoa, man. Whoa. I've never netted a fish before. We're gonna see how this goes.
You've gaffed them before.
Yeah.
That didn't go very well.
What is that? That's a canary thing.
That's a copper. That's a, what? That's a tiger.
It is,
It is a tiger.
That
and they're
is
legal.
awesome. They are legal. That's the whitefish we were seeing. That is awesome.
I think that's the first tiger I've ever seen.
That's the second one I've ever seen in
Oh,
person.
going.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show this fish.
Yeah.
That is a canary, not a canary. That is a tiger rockfish. It is the whitest tiger rockfish I have ever seen in my life.
You know what I'm
I've only ever seen 2 of them though, so they're pretty rare. But they're usually orange
have the liver and all.
with black lines. So I'm not sure if this one is a albino or what it is. But it's kind of crazy, kind of cool at the same time. Beautiful fish. What is it? It's either a tabby or a ling.
Big black. That's what we're
It's 2 big blacks.
See?
One of them just got off. Here, get back on there. Come on, hit it, hit it,
Both of them just got off now.
hit it.
That's a Lingcod.
It is a Lingcod
He's chasing.
chasing a cabbie.
Yeah, he's chasing the cabbie.
Get the net, get the net. Ah, he left.
Jig's up. All right.
Oh,
Still got them or no?
no, you still got the cabbie, but there's a big old ling chasing it, like a big ling. That was a 28 incher. No, the cabbie can't keep him. Hey, where's that whale? Right there. Get that whale. I heard that one. Look at that.
Man, he's right there too.
Yeah, he is.
Look at that tail.
Good tail.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. Check this out, guys. We got Mr. Whale right here.
Right here.
Like right
Oh, that
here.
is crazy.
He's gonna be right over here next. Come on, one last time.
Come on, buddy.
He might come up once again. Think he will, actually. There he goes, tail, everything. That is cool. That is cool. Yeah, Parker's killing it. Man, I got... This lens is terrible. You need a net.
This is gonna be
Yeah,
a
you're
cabbie.
gonna need a net. Is it a cabbie or a ling?
I don't know, I haven't seen it. I was way over there.
Come on, Parker.
Tell me what it is.
98% sure cabbie.
We've been catching quite a few cabbies today.
I'm 90% sure it is not a halibut.
It's
Uh-huh.
right there. That's a ling.
That's a ling? Well, I ain't got it hooked good then. So
No, it's a sea. No, it's a ling.
it's a ling.
You do
Oh,
have
that's
it.
a keeper.
Yeah, it's a keeper.
Look at that's a big one. Ready?
Yeah, throw them in there. That's a big one. Nice big one. That's the one that followed that other one up.
I bet it is.
Looks just like it.
Or one just like it.
That's a good fish, Parker.
Yeah, good job.
That's great.
All right, I'm gonna keep fishing.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. Oh, nice. Nice. 7 more. Parker, how's it feel to catch a fish finally?
I don't know. Ask Ken.
Ken don't know. That's another deacon.
Yeah, I think we're on a school of them.
Just got here.
I
to
just
this
hit the
new
bottom.
spot, and he just hit the bottom and got a good one here. You can almost see it. It's still just clear water here. There it is. That's just a black sea bass, isn't it? I think so. Looks like it. Nice one though. No, it's a kelpie. You snagged it.
Is that what I did?
Yep. That's a good one though. That's a decent sized kelpie. Parker got one. Got doubles, man. Hey, that's a cabezon. You see that tip of the rod?
Yeah.
That's definitely a cabezon. Think so, Parker?
That's a nice kelpie.
Don't know. I called the last one wrong.
You did too. What? Oh no, it's another kelpie.
Oh, that's a big.
That's a big one too. That's a big one.
We'll keep that.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's a nice
That's
kelpie.
huge.
Yeah,
That
what's
is
the
a
matter,
dang good
Ken?
one. Oh, I dropped it because it flipped. What's the matter?
There's one. There's one.
I see color. It's gonna be another kelp. China.
China. Quit catching Chinas. That's a big one.
Another China.
I can't put that in there. So, this one is the female, and this one is the male. That is a kelp greenling pair, and they're different than other species in that the female is the pretty one, and they're kind of like humans, I guess, because the females are supposed to be the pretty ones on humans.
Supposed to be. Except for in my case.
We got 11.
Here, hold this, hold this.
Oh, another kelp. Bring that in. That's enough.
You got one? Yep. This is probably another kelp. We're on a kelp bed here. No, I mean this one. I got one too. I don't know.
Nice
This one's... Yeah, here it comes. Two of them.
You got two?
Or wait.
Yeah, you got two. That's
or
a
is
ling.
that a ling following it? It's a ling following it again. No,
That's a
this
black.
is this is a ling. Is it a keeper ling?
No, that's
Barely. It might be. Grab that lid.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wasn't on there very good. I don't think it's a keeper, but we're gonna try it. What's up with that anyhow?
no, it's a ling.
It is a ling. It's a decent one too. He hooked. Not very good. Don't you spit that. Don't go down. Don't spit it. Don't spit it. Girl, throw it in quick. Ah! Knew that.
Without my hat?
No.
You guys good?
Yep. Well, we're going home. We had enough of it. We got